The clinical results with the Perio Protect method were remarkable. What we noticed right away was that patients that had continued problems with their periodontal condition started to clear up. And we started to have success with patients that at one point we thought were hopeless. They were now treatable.
With Perio Protect trays, what I hear after the patients used for about a month or so, I always hear that they feel better, that the gums feel tighter, they don't have the bleeding they had before, they don't have the itchy sensitivity they had before, and they just feel better in their mouth.
I've been on for 10 weeks. I went to him and started my trays the end of January, and when I went back to see him the end of February, in 5 weeks' time, my gum disease was gone.
The Perio trays are easy to use, they're effective, and your mouth just feels clean after you use it. And if you use it daily, it means your mouth feels better every day.
Things that I've done in the past have been a great deal more invasive, a great deal more painful, more in the office visits with a dentist, more money being paid. But with the Perio Protect trays, I get to take care of myself at home. Sometimes even at work, I'll stick them in for a while during lunchtime or something if I don't have anyone coming into the office. So it's more of self-maintenance. It's painless, it's easy, so it's totally different than some of the past practices I've been subjected to.
It's designed in two ways, for gingivitis and periodontitis. And for patients who only have gingivitis and they have the minimal bleeding on the posterior teeth, it's always a good way to let them use those Perio Protect trays to stop the bleeding and prevent them from developing into periodontitis.
I immediately noticed a difference in just how my teeth felt. Every morning I use my trays and I feel like I had my teeth professionally cleaned every day. And just throughout the day, I feel like my mouth is cleaner. That sounds silly, but I notice a huge difference. I feel great. I'm glad I use them every day.
And there's a link between gum disease and all sort of health problems, and research showed that now. We know better now that we don't just take care of the mouth, we take care of the whole body by taking care of the periodontal disease.
Within a few weeks of using the medicine, I stopped having bleeding gums. My breath was fresher. I could tell that. I felt like my mouth was just cleaner.
I would recommend this to other people because it's a wonderful program. You have control over how often or not often you don't do it, but the more you do it, the quicker the process is. It's very easy to use and it absolutely works, and I just can't imagine anyone not having good results from it.